Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. And some bad news because we got a fake out yesterday or overnight. We actually managed to break above 43.5 cents here. You can also see we had a nice break retest, actually rallied up a little bit right there, made a move of about 6%. So if you took that, congratulations. But ultimately, if you look at the higher time frames here, it was a fake out. We broke out, got a spike, and now we've actually dropped down below it. And even though the 4-hour time frame right here still has to close, the market circumstances in my eyes, at least for Dogecoin, have changed quite significantly, right? And this is in general to kind of remember. In general, a Sunday night to Monday morning is usually very, very volatile because all the new capital flows back into the markets, especially after Thanksgiving. But it flows back into the market, so then you get a lot of volatility, and most of the breakouts you see from Sunday to Monday, especially given the circumstances of last week, you cannot really trust. So personally, I also did not trade this. I mean, it happened while I was asleep, but yesterday in the premium group, I already said, you know, it looks good here to break out, but do you really want to trade this on a Sunday to Monday transition? The answer is no. So got the fake out, now dropped down below, got a bit of a flush right here across the markets, as you can see right here as well. Most of the altcoins dropped down here. Most altcoins are also recovering here. Dogecoin a little bit less so. You can see that Dogecoin right here is definitely not one of the strongest performers. It's actually in the bottom half of performers here. Of altcoins, you can see some other coins like ENS, Solana, ENA, and Aave doing quite well. But that's bad news for Dogecoin, all right? Because preferably what you want to see after a flush like that is a very strong and rapid recovery. So the fact that Dogecoin is not really doing it right now, even though you could argue it is, makes me think that getting a real breakout is not the most likely scenario here. You can also see the momentum is still dropping down rapidly. We topped out very beautifully with the momentum right here. I'm not sure what the volume is doing. Volume is probably looking quite good. Volume is usually looking quite good in market circumstances like these, as you can see. But now the price is dropping down with volume, right? So it goes around the same way. If the price is going up with volume, it means that the price is really strong. If the price is dropping down with volume, it's not good news. So over the course of today, the main question is going to be, well, can Dogecoin actually recover its technical levels, right? So for example, right now, the main level I'm looking at for Dogecoin is this level right here between 42.5 cents and 41.5 cents. If Dogecoin, and this is the best case scenario, if Dogecoin is able to break back above that level, get back into this consolidation right here, which we were in since Friday, then I do think that a breakout is most likely and that we can actually get back up to previous price targets here, because that would be a sign of real strength. But I have to say, until we have gotten that breakout, if you look at the market right now, the way Bitcoin is looking, Bitcoin dominance, and just in general the correlation throughout altcoins, and also the volume for Dogecoin, I would say, I think it's most likely or at least I think it's best to not buy Dogecoin here. If we break out here with momentum, with volume, so if we actually reclaim that level at 42 cents, then it's a possible buy. But at the moment, if we don't, and given the circumstances, that looks most likely. If we don't reclaim this, then we're just back into this consolidation, which we were in for the majority of last week. So I would say this is most likely. The only way we can actually break through a structure like this forming would be if the market is very bullish again during the US opening. So that is something I'll keep my eyes on, but given the circumstances as they are right now, I would say this is most likely, all right? And I would just wait it out again for Dogecoin. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.